and St. Mary's, and the following counties. In Virginia, Caroline, Culpeper, Essex, Fauquier, King George, Orange, Prince William, Spotsylvania, Stafford, and Westmoreland, and the following independent cities. In Virginia, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park, and Manassas, and the following. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia.
Calvert, Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, Prince George's, and St. Mary's, and the following counties. In Virginia, Arlington, Clark, Culpeper, Fairfax, Fauquier, King George, Loudoun, Madison, Orange, Prince William, Rappahannock, Spotsylvania, Stafford, and Warren, and the following independent cities. In Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park, and Manassas, and Jefferson, West Virginia, and the following. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Eastern Bay, Choptank River, Pawtucket River, and coastal waters from Fenwick Island to Chicago, Teague, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland until 3:30 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Alexandria, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, and located
7 miles east of Sperryville, Oregon, 14 miles north of Culpeper, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
By down trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warrenton, Bealton, New Baltimore, Opal, Washington, Vietown, Hackley's Crossroads, Jefferson, Orleans, Turnbull, Five Forks, Rockville, and Airlie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, heavy rainfall. Highs in the upper 80s. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Southern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Central Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in Northern Virginia, until 4 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bull Run, or near Centerville, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large
25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville,
Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville, Annandale, Springfield, Fort Belvoir, Lake Ridge, Burke, Lytton Hall, Laconia, Lawton, Franconia, Bull Run, Newington, I-395 and I-495 interchange, Manassas, West Springfield, Sutter Lake, Manassas Park, Fairfax Station, North Springfield, and Russellsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm warning for West Central Montgomery County and Central Maryland. Central Montgomery County in Northern Virginia until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over the federal Oregon. Thunderstorm warning for West Central Montgomery County and Central Maryland, Central Montgomery County in Northern Virginia until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Purcellville, Oregon, 7 miles northwest of Leesburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Lansdowne, Lowe's Island, Schoolsville, Ashburn, Countryside, Purcellville, Round Hill, Belmont, Hamilton, Barnesville, Hillsborough, Paonian Springs, Water.
The Washington metro area and the surrounding GHD listening area. The afternoon, widespread showers
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Highs in the upper 80s. Temperatures steady or slowly falling through late afternoon. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Widespread showers and scattered thunderstorms until midnight. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by settlers in the lower 60s. Northwest wind 5. Locations impacted include Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, Alexandria, and Fort Washington. The severe thunderstorm